Assalamu alaikum. Let's get started with the last part of the lesson. Uh, مساجد الإسلام والمسلمين في مختلف العصور. We are going to read from here. We saw the importance of building mosque and how um, mosque was considered, how mosque is considered in Islam. All right. ولهذا, for that, كان أول, the first thing, ma, that, اهتم, gave importance. Who gave importance? Al-Muslimun al-Fatihun, the victorious Muslims, the conqueror Muslim. The conqueror Muslim gave importance as first thing. What was that? بِعَمَلِهِ, with their activity. After, ba'da, after. Itmam, after completing the victory. Al-Askari, after conquering the military. After conquering the military, Askari means military, Al-Fath means victory, Itmam means completing or finishing. After conquering military, لأي baladin, of any country, what was the first thing Muslim used to do? Gave importance. Ma ihtam al-Muslimun al-Fatihun. Huwa, that is, insha'ul masjid, to build. Al-Masjid al-Jami', to build Masjid Jami'. That means, as Muslim used to give full importance of mosque, uh, the Muslims victorious, Muslim conquerors, after getting victory over any country or the army of that country, after getting victory over them, what was the first thing they used to do in that country? Insha'ul masjid. All right, Insha'ul masjid. This is the first thing they used to do. لأن, because قيام هذا المسجد, establishment of this mosque, معناه, it means, establishment of the mosque means امتداد الجماعة الإسلامية, to extend. Imtidad means to extend, to enhance, to increase, to enhance, to extend the Muslim community. When you establish a mosque, it does mean that you are extending Muslim community ila ذلك البلد, into that country, into that specific country. That means Muslim used to give uh, full importance to build mosque after conquering any land. All right. And this mosque, what qiyam hadha al-masjid, establishment of mosque, mana, also mana what, dukhuluhu, it will get entry. Okay, it will get entry, or it will get into, fi dawlatil Islam, in Islamic State. Okay, after getting victory over any non-Muslim country, the first thing that Muslim conquerors, Muslim warriors, Muslim victorious used to do is building mosque. By building this mosque, they used to extend imtidad al-jama'a al-islamiyya, extend the Islamic community into that country, and they get into that country gets into the part of Islamic State. Dawlat Islam means Islamic State. وفي أيامنا هذه, in this time, all right, in these days of us, عندما, whenever, يفتحون أو يفتحون بلدا, a country is conquered. Okay, in these days, when a country is conquered, what is done after that? After conquering that country, يرفعون على عاصمته, those who conquer, they raise راية الفاتح. راية الفاتح means the victory flag. They raise victory flag in the capital of that country. Dalilan, as a sign, as an evidence. Dalilan means as an evidence, as a sign of victory. That means in these recent times, when a country is conquered, the first thing after conquering that country, what does the conqueror do? What do the conquered people do? They raise the flag of victory. Okay, they put it in the capital city to show that uh, they got the victory. They got victory over this country. On the other hand, but What Muslim used to do? Al-Muslimun فقد كانوا إذا فتحوا, when they used to get victory, when they used to conquer بلدا, any country, أنشأوا فيه مسجدا, they used to build Masjid al-Jami, Masjid Jami, they used to build mosque. They didn't used to raise flag of victory. Rather, after conquering any country, they used to build mosque. That is the sign of the victory of Muslims. Why they used to build a mosque? لِيُعْلِنُوا, to declare, to express, to show. أَعْلَنَ يُعْلِنُ means to expressing, to declare. بِذَلِكَ, with that establishment of mosque. بِذَلِكَ means with that. أَنَّ, that al-balada, the country, أصبح, became, the country became juz'an, a part, min daril Islam, of Islamic State. Okay, what was the reason behind establishment of mosque? The reason behind establishment of mosque was to declare, liyu'linu, to declare, bidhalika, with the establishment of mosque, anna, that al-balad asbaha, the country became a part, juz'an min daril Islam, of Islamic State, and wa markazan, it became a center, hub, hub, or center, center, or tre. This country became a center min marakizi jama'atihi, it became a center of its community, Islamic community. And what was also the reason? لِيُعْلِنُوا, to declare. The establishment of mosque was to declare انتصار دين الله, to show the victory of Allah, وليس انتصار الغالبين, to not show the victory of conquerors. Okay, by establishment of mosque, they used to show to others that this victory is for Allah, not for the people, those who conquered the country, those who conquered the land. Innal masajid, indeed the mosques, kanat, have been, wama zalat, and continue. Mosques have been and still continue. Marakis, to be, marakis, to be what? Uh, Centers, ittisal, centers of connection. Mosques have been, or mosques are the center of the connection, baina, between or among, afrad al-jama'a al-islamiyya, among Islamic communities, among the members of the Islamic communities. Al-kubra means the great Islamic or Muslim communities. That means mosque have been a center between the connection of all the Muslim, great Muslim communities. Fil masajid, in the mosque. كان الغرباء من أبناء تلك الجماعة يتقابلون. The strangers in the mosque, the strangers من أبناء تلك الجماعة, the strangers of those Muslim communities, the strangers of those Muslim communities, يتقابلون, they meet. In the mosque, everyone come here from different Muslim communities, right? يتقابلون, they meet in the mosque. هناك, here. كانوا يتجمعون, or there. كانوا in the mosque. كانوا يتجمعون, they used to come together, they would come together. تجمع يتجمع means they would come together. ويتعرف بعضهم إلى بعض. تعرف يتعرف means knowing each other, and they would know each other. بعضهم إلى بعض, they would know each other in the mosque, right? وهناك, there. كانوا يشعرون, they would feel. بأنهم, they would feel. أنهم, that they are. أبناء أمة واحدة, they are the sons of one nation. Whenever they would come to the mosque, come into the mosque, they would feel by seeing others that they are the sons of one nation, and the nation is al-Islam. Ya Ummatul Islam, the nation is Islamic nation, Ummatul Islam. وبفضل الإسلام, وبفضل المساجد. وبفضل المساجد means thanks to mosques, all thanks to mosque. That means due to the contribution of mosque. وبفضل has different meanings. You can say thanks to mosque, or contribution to the mosque, due to mosque, for mosque. So I am meaning here that thanks to mosque, lam yakun al muslim, Muslim would never yash'uru, Muslim would never think that gharibun he is a stranger. Thanks to mosque. For the mosque, Muslim would never think that he is a stranger. في بلد إسلامي, in any Islamic country. That means when a Muslim goes to another Muslim country, for the mosque, he never thinks that uh, he is a stranger. Okay, this country is his country because he can see mosque in front of him. And mosque is the symbol of Ummah Wahida, unity. All right?